the south of France. Far from the bustle and buzz of the commercial fisheries lies a different type of water. A place where rivers run wild, untamed, and so do the carp. These are not overfed familiar giants of stock lakes. These fish are older, wiser, forged by current, shadow and time. They've survived floods, droughts, and generations of anglers who never even knew they existed. And that's exactly why we're here. Fishing a days only section, we had just 3 days ahead of us to try and catch ourselves a French giant. How big is it?